guess our fear is that in some capacity, these special springs, the water chemistry of them would be affected in some way. It puts ACA in a bit of a different position than we are on most developments in Alberta. The ACA being a delegated administrative organization of the Alberta government, we're not an advocacy group. Having said that, we have a bit of a responsibility on these lands as well, because we are title holders, and we're managing these lands on behalf of Alberta's hunters and anglers who have paid for these purchases. So we are very concerned with these proposed developments, that's for sure. I would encourage anyone who hunts or fishes, especially people who fish the North Raven or the Raven River, or just anyone who loves getting out, going out for a hike, anyone who loves to see, beautiful wild places, to come out here, have a look at these springs, have a look around, see where they are in relation to the Clearwater River. Imagine the groundwater flow from the Clearwater River over to these springs, and then look at the proposed sites where the gravel activity could occur, and just formulate your own opinion.